सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Teacher Trainer of Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Advanced Level Newspaper Notes, Dictation Speed 60 words per minute, Exercise 26, Shorthand and Longhand, total time 42 minutes, ready, start. A glaring example is that the revenue target originally agreed upon did not take into account the reduction in revenues resulting from the large fall in imports due to the massive devaluation. Full stop. Dad said, comma, nobody it denying that Pakistan's tax revenues are low at around 11% of GDP, full stop, and no one can disagree with the IMF argument that if we are to improve our pathetic human development indicators and meet the SDGs by 2030, comma, tax revenues would need to be increased by at least 5 to 6 percentage points sooner rather than late. Full stop. Yet, given the government's fast dwindling political capital or goodwill among the people, comma, and the narrowing space for higher taxes, comma, revenues can only increase gradually, full stop, when economic conditions improve, comma, the people will be more prepared to bear the needed tax burden, full stop, making the case for shifting the emphasis to maximizing exports under the current IMF program is to acknowledge that, comma, as in the past, comma, the binding constraint on Pakistan's sustained growth revival is the lack of foreign exchange, full stop, solely slashing imports through massive devaluation is not a feasible or efficient solution, comma, no is an increase only in export volumes, full stop. What is the critical is a corresponding rise in our export foreign exchange earnings, question mark. To achieve this goal, comma, the government's efforts should be concentrated on easing the constraints faced by exporters, even if it means taking some bold, unconventional steps, including the immediate return of import duties that have been paid, comma, as well as reducing the high banking margins required on imported inputs by decreasing interest rates, full stop. Many exporters are already facing severe capacity constraints, full stop. This situation should not be made worse as they are facing liquidity constraints in meeting new orders, full stop. There are indications that recent development in East Asia are making many global importers turn to Pakistan, full stop. They will definitely turn to other countries, comma, including India, comma, if we are unable to respond to their demands, full stop. The other real opening on the economic front, comma, mainly as a result of massive devaluation and the exorbitant prices of imports, comma, are the profitable opportunities for the growth of import, comma, substitution industries, full stop, ensuring their efficient and low cost production would need cheaper imported inputs which can only be made available by cutting import duties, full stop. While the IMF supports further opening up the economy, it must also realize the trade off in meeting the extremely ambitious revenue targets. Full stop. We can, comma, with the IMF's support and understanding, comma, move out of the current downturn and stagflation phase through an export led growth strategy which can create decent jobs together with recent upturn in manufacturing after many months of decline. Stop writing, please.